Hello Globetrotters! Today, we are here to take you on an incredible culinary journey. Are you ready to explore the unique world of Parisian street food and cultural flavors? In this video, we invite you to wander the streets of Paris, indulge in delicious delicacies, and uncover the city's gastronomic heritage. So, let's embark on a satisfying journey through the flavors of Paris. Paris captures the hearts of food lovers with its world-renowned café culture and exquisite tastes. Croissants, macarons, baguettes, crepes, escargots, and so much more. These flavors await us in the streets of Paris and at famous locations where they can be savored. Along our journey, we will discover local markets, charming cafes, traditional restaurants, and flavor-filled streets. Join us to uncover the tantalizing tastes of Paris. But the adventure doesn't end there. While taking sweet breaks at the city's culinary stops, we will also explore Paris's historical and cultural gems. With its unique atmosphere, streets adorned with street art, historic landmarks, and vibrant markets, Paris enchants not only with its flavors but also with its distinct culture. This video will immerse you in the mesmerizing ambience of Paris while experiencing its culinary delights. Are you ready? This video provides the perfect opportunity to discover your palate, get lost in the street flavors and cultural tastes of Paris. An adventure filled with flavors awaits you. We are delighted to invite you to this unforgettable journey. Croissant. A must-try when you're in Paris. When it comes to croissants in Paris, one of the first places that comes to mind is Le Grenier-à-Pain. This renowned bakery earned accolades in 1998 for creating the best croissant in France. Using fresh and high-quality ingredients, Le Grenier-à-Pain follows traditional techniques to achieve the perfect texture and taste. Another famous croissant destination is Du Pain et d'Ides. This bakery operates in a nostalgic setting reminiscent of 19th century Paris. Du Pain et d'Ides has gained recognition for its unique croissant recipes. Owner Christophe Vasseur remains faithful to traditional techniques and uses premium ingredients in crafting his croissants. Lastly, La Pâtisserie Cyril Lignac is a must-visit for experiencing Paris' most famous croissants. Cyril Lignac, a renowned chef and pastry expert, employs a special fermentation process to create his croissants. With a focus on quality, Lignac serves freshly baked croissants every morning using top-notch ingredients. You can find delicious croissants at places like Le Grenier-à-Pain, Du Pain et d'Ides, and La Pâtisserie Cyril Lignac. Hit that subscribe button now and join our vibrant community of food enthusiasts. Macaron. The history of macarons can be traced back to the 16th century, but it was in the 20th century that they gained worldwide fame. Paris, known as the culinary capital, became the epicenter of macaron production and innovation. When it comes to the most famous macarons in Paris, La Durie is a name that cannot be missed. This iconic pastry shop, founded in 1862, has been enchanting taste buds with its delectable macarons for over a century. La Durie offers a wide array of flavors and its macarons are renowned for their perfectly crisp shells and luscious fillings. Another legendary macaron destination is Pierre Herme. Revered as the Picasso of pastry, Pierre Herme has elevated macarons to an art form. His creations push the boundaries of flavors and textures, with unique combinations that will surprise and delight your palate. Lastly, we have Maison La Durie, another esteemed macaron institution that has captivated the hearts of locals and tourists alike. Maison La Durie boasts an extensive selection of macaron flavors, each meticulously crafted with a harmonious balance of taste and texture. Baguette. The iconic symbol of French bread culture, the baguette is easily found on the streets of Paris. The story of the baguette dates back to the 19th century when bakers in Paris sought to create a bread that was both delicious and easily transportable. They crafted a long, slender loaf with a crispy crust and a soft, airy interior, giving birth to the baguette as we know it today. When it comes to the most renowned baguettes in Paris, one name stands out: Maison Kaiser. Founded by renowned baker Eric Kaiser, Maison Kaiser has become synonymous with exceptional bread. Their baguettes are crafted using traditional techniques and the finest ingredients, resulting in a perfect balance of flavor, texture, and aroma. Another esteemed destination for baguette enthusiasts is Foie Gras. This historic bakery, established in 1932, has upheld the tradition of artisanal bread making for generations. Foie Gras baguettes are known for their rustic appearance, distinct flavor, and the expert craftsmanship that goes into each loaf. Hit that subscribe button now and join our vibrant community of food enthusiasts. Crepe. Thin pancakes filled with delicious sauces, crepes are a popular street snack in Paris. Some of the best crepes can be found at Crêperie Jocelyn, Bray's Café, and Au Petit Grec. Escargot. A famous French delicacy, escargot is particularly popular in Parisian restaurants. You can try it at places like Le Grand Colbert, L'Escargot Montorgueil, and La Fermette Marboeuf. Foie Gras. A rich and flavorful delicacy, foie gras can be found in Paris upscale restaurants and specialty gourmet shops. Le Comptoir du Relais, Le Violon d'Ingres, and Maison de la Truffe are some places where you can taste the best foie gras. Quiche Lorraine. A savory French pastry, Quiche Lorraine can be found in many cafés and pâtisseries in Paris. Café de Flore, Angelina, and Le Voir dans la Thière are some places where you can try this delicacy. Ratatouille. A delicious dish made with colorful vegetables, ratatouille can be found in traditional restaurants in Paris. Le Petit Retro, Chez l'Ami Jean, and Le Comptoir du Relais are some places where you can savor this dish. Croque Monsieur. A grilled ham and cheese sandwich, Croque Monsieur is popular in Parisian cafés and restaurants. Café de Flore, Les Deux Magots, and Café de la Paix are some places where you can find the best Croque Monsieur. Bouillabaisse. This seafood soup from Mediterranean cuisine can be found in seafood restaurants in Paris. Le Duc, L'Ambroisie, and Le Dôme du Marais are some places where you can enjoy this delicacy. Thank you for joining us on this delicious journey exploring the world of crepes. We hope you enjoyed learning about the history and flavors of this iconic French treat. If you're craving more culinary adventures and want to discover the best dishes from around the world, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about our upcoming videos, where we'll take you on exciting gastronomic experiences. Hit that subscribe button now and join our vibrant community of food enthusiasts. Let's continue to explore the flavors of the world together. Bon appetit! By the way, home isn't always four walls, sometimes it's a pair of ocean eyes.